which of the following statement is true about the gymnosperm? The given options are albinomus cells or phylum or absent. The embryo that grows after fertilization is exoscopic in nature. Gymnosperms are dioecious in nature. The embryo that grows after fertilization is endoscopic in nature. Okay, so they are asking to identify the correct statement related to the gymnosperm. Okay, so it is a option D will be the correct answer. Okay, so the phylum is also present and the fertilization was with the endoscopic in nature. Okay, it is not exoscopic. And the gymnosperms are monoecious in nature. It is not a dioecious. So the answer will be fourth statement. Okay, the option D is the correct answer. And the next one, Gaucher disease is a genetic disorder which is associated with endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, peroxisome, and lysosome. So they have given up 4 different options. So the Gaucher disease is a rarely causing genetic disorder. Okay, so which is due to the deficiency of the lysosome enzyme. Okay, the enzyme will have the cerebrocyte part, which will be deposited on the macrophages, because macrophages, what it will do, it will be acting as a cell engulfing, which will carry the enzyme of lysosome in order to make the antigen debris. Okay, it will just break down. So when there was a lysosome deficient, it will not do the it will not able to perform the activity. So it will result in the Gaucher disease. Okay, so the Gaucher disease is a genetic disorder which is associated with the lysosome. The option D will be the correct answer. And the next one is hematopoietic stem cells are found in bone marrow, liver, spleen, and Peyer's patches. Okay, so the spleen will have B cells, the liver will have the other kind of WBC cells or red blood cells. Peyer's patches will carry T cells, and the remaining option is bone marrow. Okay, so all stem cells, all the cells will be produced from the bone marrow. After that, even the T cells, B cells, everything will be produced from the bone marrow. So, but the maturation will be different. Okay, so the B cell will mature in the bone marrow and the T cell will mature in the thymus region. Okay, the question was hematopoietic stem cells are found in bone marrow. Every cell that is producing will be from the bone marrow. So the option A will be the correct answer. Okay, which of the following vaccine does not provide lifetime protection? Okay, they are asking about which vaccine will not give the protection over the lifetime. So it is polio, chickenpox, smallpox, and MMR. Okay, so the option B will be the correct answer. Chickenpox will be the correct answer. Okay, and the next question. The formation of endosperm before fertilization is characteristics of. There are 4 different options: bryophytes, angiosperms, gymnosperms, and pteridophytes. It is a plant science based question. Okay, so the correct option will be gymnosperms. Okay, the formation of endosperm before fertilization, it will go for the pre-maturation, pre-fertilization state. This gymnosperm will go for the pre-fertilization state before it completely fertilized. Okay, so the option C will be the correct answer. And the next one, heterospory is not found in. So what is heterospory? It is a different kind of spores. The plant which cannot produces the heterospory, we need to find it. Okay, this pinus, cycas, and Sligilla, and Terpidum. So we need to identify. So the heterospory is not found in pinus because it is a homospory one. Okay, and the next one, the diagnostic test used to detect the human immunodeficiency virus, which is a HIV virus. So first option, Vidal, autoradiography, ELSA, and the precipitation. Okay, so the Vidal test is for the typhoid and the autoradiography is entirely different for the identifying the with the photographic film, we can identify like MRI scan, or we can go for the PET scan, that is autoradiography. And the precipitation is for antigen antibody interaction, so that we can identify with the help of precipitation. And ELSA is a 96 well plate where we can easily detect the HIV virus. Okay, so the option C will be the correct answer. And the next one, so which one of the following antibody can cross placental barrier? Options are IgG, IgM, IgE, and IgA. They are given a four different antibodies. We need to identify which antibody can cross the placental barrier. So they are, we have already seen the only one antibody that can cross the placental barrier will be IgG. Okay. And the next one, Trypan blue assay is used for. So the Trypan blue is mostly used for identifying a viable cell, which means live cell. Okay, they have given four different options: counting of animal cells, quantification of cellular proteins, quantification of nucleic acid, identification of metabolic. Okay, so the option except option A, others are to identify and to measure the value of the proteins and measure the count of nucleic acid. So the option A, counting of animal cell, will be the correct answer. Okay.